Hi guys, it's Kathleen from the Yoga Space. I wanted to just check in with you for your mindful moment today. And as you can see behind me, I have my lovely assistant. What's your name? Audrey. She's my 4-year-old daughter. And we are going to show you some serious breaths. Yeah? Let's do some serious breaths together. All you'll need is a straw. Can you show everyone your straw, Audrey? Yeah, a straw and a pom-pom or a ball. That's right. Okay, do you want to do the pom-pom first or the ball? Okay, go. Throw it. Whoa, pom-pom's gone. Want me the ball? Go on. Good job. Hey, my turn. You ready?
Yep.
Ready? Whoa! And if you would like a little bit more of a challenge, can you hop off the mat from me for a second, Audrey? Let's make a little bit of a mountain here. Whoa!
That would be crazy.
See if you get the ball over. Give it a try. Did it work? Oh, roll it to me.
Yeah.
To me. Can I have it? So I have. No. Oh, okay. You can do it like that, or you can do it like this. Oh, I think the mountain's a bit too high. Okay, make it a bit smaller. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, breathe in through your nose and out your mouth. You ready? It might be better to go back a little bit, just for science purposes. So what we've got here is that kids are working on learning how to blow out of their mouths. They're also learning how to blow out of the straw as well, making the sign that they use to whistle. Okay, breathe through your nose. Out through your mouth. No bananas this time. Ready? One more time. Ready? Make it a bit smaller. Oh. Are you ready? One more time. Oh, we got it! And there you have our
We have a little bit more.
breaths. Our breaths. Audrey, can you come and sit with me, please? And we're going to say our closing wish. Come and sit. Bring your hands to your heart and repeat after me. May all the world be filled with love and light,
be filled with love and light,
peace and happiness, and lots of peaceful children. Yeah, and what do we say? We say, I see all the good things in me, see all the good things in you.
I see all the good things in you.
Thanks for practicing with me for your mindful moment today, guys. Peace out. Say peace out, Odds.
Peace out.